Hello Sapna, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And tell me about yourself.
Okay, so I'm pretty good, and as we know, we are meeting second time, and in my second meeting, I'm not came up with alone. I am now with my channel. Finally, I have started my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for your valuable support as well as feedback and suggestion. So I have started my journey on YouTube, and from last week to today, I have communicated with many peoples, and yeah, I must say, communicating with the people and talking with them, it's not easy for me. It's a very time consuming thing, and yeah, I can understand. We need to, if we really need to improve our communication skills, so we need to spend extra time, extra efforts, and many things. I know everything, but we before entered into the YouTube journey, we were also living a different life as well. Okay, we everyone have their own routine work, their own working life, and their own priority task, work, and many things. But yeah, as of now, I just step one step ahead in the YouTube. So for me, maybe this is a first experience for me. So that's why I'm feeling that it's a very busy time. Like everything we need to do in a single hand, you know. So yeah, and I just I usually I watching your channel. So many congratulations, you are also many nearby to touch the 1000 subscriber. I wish very,
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
yeah, very soon, at the mid of 2025, you will receive more than a million subscriber, and
Oh my
your family will be more large. I wish. Okay.
God. But
Yes.
honestly, I'm not expecting so much. As I said that I have jumped on this platform only for my improvement first. But yes, day by day, I'm realizing that many people are also getting themselves motivated by watching me and means observing my journey. So this is a great feeling in me. And if I talk about yourself, so today itself, I saw your first video and it was quite amazing, I must say. And
Yeah,
as earlier, as in our first conversation, I said that you are a fluent speaker. So definitely you are, and if you have started this journey, so day by day you will see drastic change in yourself. And nowadays also you are fluent, as I always said. But I'm so happy for you that when first time you were talking to me, that time you were thinking only like let me be at first like fluent speaker, only then I will have to start my channel. But now if you have started, you will see the result of it. And now I can see that I'm seeing the happiness on your face as well. And very soon you will feel satisfied with your journey. Now
yeah,
you
definitely.
will have to be more passionate about English learning. That now yes, like I have created my channel, so I will have to upload a new content, new things, so you will rack your brain more and more, and in this way you will definitely get good fluency. And still you are fluent. But I'm so happy that finally you have started.
Yeah, and this is taken more than 7 days. Like I was, as you know, before communicating with you on last week, even many days ago, I was planning, but I was not deciding. But somehow, you and many people motivated me, I can start and all. So after that, I have finally decided and start my journey. But to be very honest, one more time, I want to say, uploading a single video, it was not a piece of cake for me. Okay, we need to create a thumbnail, we need to editing in the video, we need to create different insta email id as well as a YouTube channel. There are so many things in the single hand we need to do. I know in your case, maybe as you said earlier, like your husband is helping to you,
Yes,
so
yes.
your hard work is quite dividing in 2%. Okay, maybe into the out of 100, 70% or 30%, I'm not sure, but in my case I'm the single person who are holding 100% weight in my head. Okay, so this is the thing, but maybe I believe I can increase my knowledge, so day by day things will be down.
Yes, definitely. And as you, my husband is helping me in my journey. I have to make only video. And if I talk about thumbnail, so earlier means when I started motivational storytelling, so that time my husband was making like thumbnail and all. But nowadays he is not making any thumbnail. Just only he uploaded. Sometime he do any editing if it's required, and if it's not required, so he didn't even do editing and all. Only just upload any conversational video or in my motivational storytelling there no need to do any editing and all, because I always used to tell my story in one go. And yes, but still it's a very time taking process. We have to add lots of things like hashtag and all. I don't know, my husband is doing. And also there are many house maker who are just making this type of video and running channel, and they are also like sharing this problem that they are so much busy in their household, so they don't have get so much time uh, to upload uh, every single day a video, so they are taking like gap between 2 days.
Yeah,
That
yeah, I
yes, we have
also
to do
think
all things.
correct. So uploading the video in every single day, it's a very big responsibility and many things. So I believe like maybe it's a startup pressure, man. Maybe it's a startup time. So therefore, I'm feeling the pressure. But somehow, when I will the enter, well, I will flow in the journey. So let's see how it will be easy for me.
And I wish that means not wish, I am 100% sure that very soon you will get good subscriber and also viewer, because your speaking, your way of speaking is amazing. And in your first like self talk video you are sounding so much confident. And if you want, just see my first self talk video. In my first video I was that time completely unable to speak properly, but still I have jumped and started this channel and this journey. So yes, if I started only then, I nowadays I am able to speak confidently. So definitely you will also see good result in yourself and in your speaking also. You will very soon become a like a fluent speaker, advanced level speaker.
Yeah, thank you so much for your kind words. So how was your day so far?
Yes, as there's a holiday of school due to Diwali, so only today itself it's like over, and tomorrow I will have to go to school. So it was quite like busy, because I was in my village, and I was in my village. That's why I couldn't take any conversation session, because there's lots of network issue. That's why. But I was completely busy in household chores, due to
Yeah,
Diwali.
I
So
understood.
I
So,
couldn't. I'm talking to you, I think after 3 days. For 3 days, I couldn't take any conversation session, even on audio, on video. And now, if I start talking to you, so I'm feeling a little bit like what to talk, because this is just like I can say gapping, because I
oh,
couldn't practice for 3 days. So we have to practice daily on daily basis if we do this.
understood. Understood. By the way, I am very much curious to know that what about the holidays for the teachers? How many schools are offering for holidays in Diwali?
Actually, I'm not getting your point, because there's a DJ sound
Okay,
coming. Like
yeah, let
yes,
me repeat. Yeah, I was saying that about the teachers. How many days in holiday schools are offering in Diwali?
in my school only 2 days holidays. Means on Diwali, means today and yesterday. Only 2 days. Tomorrow, I'm supposed to go to school. That's why I was telling. 2 days it is spent only just in lots of work, knitting, cleaning house, and decorating, and cooking. You know, but I
Okay,
enjoy.
understood. So don't you think as tomorrow is a Saturday and then again it's a Sunday, so how many students will come present in the class? Maybe so many will be go at their village or wandering different places.
Maybe there's only few students will be present in school. You are right because some students just have gone to their village, and definitely they want to return like today or tomorrow. So definitely they will come from Monday. But yes,
Understood.
there are many students who will come tomorrow, and but we are teachers, so we have to go anyhow. We
Understood.
can't take things unnecessarily. That's why.
So when I was in the school more than 12 to 14 years ago, so in our school around 21 days holidays they were offering to us, to the students, and lots of homeworks they were also assigning to us. So you are the teacher who also give the homework for the Diwali vacation, or maybe
No,
there is no
no. There are only 2 days holiday, so we should let the student enjoy Diwali. I only just I gave some homework like just write an essay with creativity on Diwali like this, and at least 2 page or 3 page by yourself. So these type of, because I know that there are only in the Sahara. We have given lots of homework in the Sahara holiday. But in Diwali, there are only 2 days, so we are not supposed to give lots of homework to students because they have also do like they have to do enjoyment on Diwali, and they are so excited for Diwali.
Obviously, yeah, it's a big festival of India, so everyone should have enjoyed rather than busy schedule and homework and all.
Yes, that's right.
Great. All right. So yeah. So I thought we can connect with each other and share these kind of things. So that's the reason. So anything else you want to say or ask me anything?
Yes. Actually, I want to say something like today after watching your first video, as I said, I also got myself very much motivated because you speak very well, and also by watching your video, I decided to like make a video on patience. So today itself, I uploaded a video like self-talk video on a topic, beautiful topic like patience. Because yes, sometimes we start something and we start getting expecting result very quickly, and that's why if we are not getting result very soon, so we in that case we start like feeling ourselves demotivated and frustrated, like I am doing hard work and I'm not getting any result. So but yes, if we want to achieve something we have to start right now, and on this topic I have made my video today and also uploaded. In this way at least many people can get themselves motivated, like yes, we can start our journey right now. That's why. And
So many YouTubers who are making conversation video on their YouTube. So I noticed that directly in their first video, they are uploading the conversation video. So I was little bit confused, but somehow I decide the thing like first I need to share the introduction video. In that
yeah,
video, yeah, in that video, I can share my thoughts like what is the agenda to create my channel and what is the purpose, like why people needs to watch my videos and what kind of improvement and what kind of videos category they can expect on my channel. So these kind of things I have elaborate on my channel. So I
yeah.
thought, yeah, this is the good way first starting the conversation.
I saw your video till end and you did great in your video, I must say. Yes, firstly you need to like introduce yourself to your viewer, like why you are here. So you did this. And do you know that when I started my motivational storytelling, so that time I never introduced myself in front of like a camera in my video. So most of my viewers sometimes asked me like, ma'am, from I always like told my name, like what's my name, but never like where I'm from. So people ask like, ma'am, where are you from? So I have to. That time I was not taking conversation session, so then no need to introduce. I was thinking, but you introduce yourself and also like detail all thing like why you're here. So this is great thing, and the people
Yeah,
will definitely they will come to know about yourself, and now they will feel excited to watch your next video like conversation video. So this is a
great. Thank
great thing that you've done today.
you. Another thing is that, can you believe, as you can see, my first video is around 8 to 10 minutes, but it was not my first attempt. To be very honest, I just started the recording, and within a first single line, I was plumber, and everything is mix up. So again, stop and delete, second time, third times. So while talking, I was sometime taking long break, sometime everything is mixed up. So this was my 7 to 8 time video record. Okay, so I was very much pressure, feeling I was under
No,
very
no,
much pressure.
don't be pressured like it's your first video, and yes, it's still means many youtubers they are who are making this type of video, they must be also doing the same thing. And if I talk about myself, so sometime I told my story in one go as I said, and sometime I also used to take some time. I don't know why, when my mood was just upset, means any, and when there are lots of work, so I started thinking about my work and all. So that time I forgot and stop video, and then again sometime I also took lots of time like in seven, not seven but 4 5 times I have completed. And in initial day I also used to do the same thing. whenever i whenever I just learned the story very well, but whenever I go to tell my story in front of camera, so definitely I that time I forgot all things, my story, and what to then again stop and then make. So this was happening with me, but nowadays uh, it is not happening, I can say, because nowadays I'm habitual as I say. So I used to tell my story in one go. But in your first video you are looking very like confident, and that is very great thing, good thing. And I know that people will love to watch you definitely.
Yeah, yeah,
And
great. Thank
very
you so
soon.
much again for your kind words, and let's see like how we both can increase our English communication confidence and style using live conversation with the people. So stay connected with each other. Okay.
Yes, yes, definitely. We all are here for learning, for getting more and more fluency in English. So definitely we all have to support one another. And in this way, we all can like go together towards
Definitely.
our destination. Am I right?
Yeah, you are absolutely right. All right.
So
Okay, so Sapna, I think for today maybe it's enough. So yeah, thank
yes,
you
yes.
so much for your time and valuable suggestion once more time. So yeah, stay connected. We will meet soon again with the live conversation. Okay.
So ultimately, in my conclusion, I want to say like I'm very happy for you, and best of luck for your new journey. And
Thank you so much
bye
once again.
bye. Take
Bye.
care.
Have a good time. Bye.